Alright, class. So today, we are going to be learning how to solve equations. Jenai, what is an equation?
It has two expressions combined with an equal sign, solving for a variable.
Nice. Now on your papers, write down 2x equals 24, and solve for the variable x.
Aw man. Y'all, this is easy. I'm already done.
That's good, but wait for everyone to finish, please. And raise your hand next time. Is everyone finished? Thumbs up if you're finished solving your equation. Thumbs sideways if you need another minute, and thumbs down if you don't know what I'm talking about. Okay, good. Yes, Emily. Would you like to share your answer?
Yes. The value of x is 12. I divided both sides by 2 to get x alone, and 24 divided by 2 equals 12.
Nice job. Now try this equation. 2 times the quantity of x plus 5 equals 14. Okay, now thumbs up if you're finished and you feel confident about your answer. Thumbs sideways if you need more time, and put your thumbs down if you need help. Okay, great. Jenai, would you like to answer this one?
Sure. My answer is x equals 2. I used the distributive property and distributed the 2 into the quantity of x plus 5, getting 2x plus 10 equals 14. To get the x value alone on one side, I subtracted the 10 from both sides, so I was only left with 2x equals 4. Then I divided it all by 2, so I could get the x value by itself. 4 divided by 2 equals 2, meaning that x equals 2.
Fantastic job.
What exactly is the distributive property?
It lets you multiply a sum by multiplying each end separately, and then add the products.
Wait, Mrs. Murphy.
Raise your hand, Chauncey.
Are there any other properties that are going to be on the test?
You should know the symmetric property, a pattern self-similarity. For example, 2 equals x, so x equals 2. There is also that transitive property. Whenever A is equals to B, and B is equals to C, then A is also equals to C. This is used a lot in geometry. The addition and subtraction property are also essential. If x is equal to y, then x plus 2 is the same as y plus 2. Although these are often used in geometry, they are still essential.
So the subtraction property is the same concept. Except you subtract and not add. I got this.
So class, here are some examples to write down. And remember, the main objective to solving equations is to solve for the variable and get this variable by itself. Example 1 is 26y plus 24 equals 16y plus 94. Now subtract 16y and add 24 to both sides. What do we do next, Jenai?
Since we get 10y equals 70, we need to divide both sides by 10. So y will equal 7.
Nice. Try this one, class. 10, 1 to 2y equals minus 5, 2y minus 1. So what did we do first, Emily?
We first use the distributive property and distribute the 10 into the binomial, 1 minus 2y. On the other side of the equation, we should distribute the negative 5 into the binomial, 2y minus 1.
It is 10 minus 20y equals negative 10y plus 5.
Thank you, Chauncey. As you were saying, Emily.
And then we subtract the 5 to both sides to get 5 minus 20y equals negative 10y. Next, we divide both sides by 10, and 5 over 10 reduces to 1/2.
Amazing! This next equation involves combining like terms. It is 3x plus 4, 5x, equals 69. I'll walk you guys through this one. First, we multiply the 4 by 5x, which will give us 3x plus 20x equals 69. Now we combine the like terms of 3x and 20x, because they both have the same variable, yet different coefficients. Then we are left with 23x equals 69. Jenai, can you tell us what's next?
Now we divide both sides by 23 to get x by itself. The answer should be x equals 3.
So that covers combining like terms. Everything else is basically arithmetic from prior knowledge. Now we will talk about word problems.
Wow, I didn't even pay attention in class today. I stopped listening once she mentioned story problems.
I think she mentioned something about making our own equations to model and solve real-world problems, but don't take my word. I was barely paying attention as well.
Hello girls. Can you two help me out with a dilemma? I took a look at my previous receipt for our tiles, and the total amount of money the tiles are worth is $288. In our bathroom, there is 6 tiles by 12 tiles. Your father wants to know how much each tile is worth because he only wants to replace a small section of the kitchen. Only 4 tiles are damaged, so how much will the 4 tiles be?
Uh-oh. Maybe we should have listened to Mrs. Murphy. How should we help my mom figure this out if we didn't listen in class?
Don't worry. We can just call Chauncey.
Hello?
Hey, can you help us? My dad is redoing only 4 tiles in our bathroom, and we have 6 tiles by 12 tiles. The 6 by 12 is worth $288, so how much will the 4 tiles cost?
Someone wasn't paying attention in math class.
Please help us.
Alright. You first need to make your equation. If 6 and 12 represent the amount of tiles, then your x must be the price per tile. To solve for x, you must multiply each by x and combine the like terms. I think you guys got it from here.
Thanks. So if x is the price per tile, the equation should be 6x plus 12x equals 288. When we combine the like terms, 6x and 12x, we should get 18x equals 288.
Now all we have to do is divide both sides by 18 to get the price of each tile, which is $16. But wait, didn't your dad want to redo 4 of them?
Yes, so all we have to do is multiply 4 and 16, which will bring the total cost to $64.
Thank you. You two should get ready for school tomorrow.
Hello. So, class, did you all do your homework?
Homework? What homework?
Your assignments were to take what you learned yesterday, and then apply them to your life in some way. Let's start out with Emily. What did you do for your assignment?
Jenai and I helped my parents by figuring out how much 4 tiles in my bathroom would cost. Based on the total cost of all of the tiles and the dimensions of my bathroom, we achieved this by combining like terms.
Yeah, and we would never be able to achieve this without the help of Chauncey.
Great! Chauncey, how did you contribute to their success? Chauncey, put your head up. And you packed up early. You're the last one to leave.